In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to fix the browser is a bit unusual error on GoDaddy. This glitch can occur due to a number of reasons, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the troubleshooting process to fix it. Let's start off with addressing the issues caused by VPNs and ad blockers. You see, these handy extensions can unintentionally interfere with the security checks of GoDaddy and lead to errors. So, what you need to do is disable these services, at least temporarily, and then try accessing GoDaddy again. Another area that often causes issues is the storage of cache and cookies in your web browser. The corrupted or outdated data in your browser's cache could be the culprit behind the "browser is a bit unusual" error. To resolve this, you need to clear your cache and remove cookies from your browser. Moving on, you should ensure that JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings, as GoDaddy relies on JavaScript to function properly. If it's disabled, it can potentially trigger this error. So, do take a quick look at your settings to confirm if JavaScript is enabled. While we're on the topic of browser settings, let's not forget about other browser extensions. Even if they're not related to ads, some extensions might still be causing the problem. Hence, consider disabling all extensions for a while to see if this rectifies the issue. Next, check if your browser's security settings are, by chance, blocking third-party cookies. This could also be a source of trouble. If this is the case, allow these cookies, then test to see if this resolves the "browser is a bit unusual" error on the GoDaddy website. In addition, third-party antivirus software sometimes causes conflicts with GoDaddy, even though they are installed for your protection. So, if you have any such software, try suspending it temporarily and see if it's responsible for the issue. Finally, if none of these previous steps rectified the issue, the problem could stem from the browser itself. Try to access your GoDaddy account from a completely different browser to rule out any browser-specific issues. Bear in mind that it's not necessary to do all these steps. Try each one, then check if the problem is solved. If it isn't, then move on to the next. By following this tutorial, you should be able to get back on track with GoDaddy and resolve the "browser is a bit unusual" issue. Remember, the solution varies from person to person, depending on their unique browser settings and installed extensions.